Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone has executed confidence that NPP will get absolute majority in the next assembly elections due in 2023, terming the joining of Magdalene Saukme, Martin M. Dango and Manstudy Nongrem as a big boost for the party. Tinsong announced that Saukme would be contesting from Nongpoh, while Dango would be fielding from Ranikor constituency in 2023 elections. Saukme had decided to quit the People's Democratic Party to contest on an NPP ticket from Nongpoh constituency. Dango, meanwhile, said that it was the decision of the people and his supporters who urged him to join and contest the next election from NPP.
My leaders at Ranikor on the 23rd of October, they have gathered. They have unanimously decided Dango should contest again, but which party we will leave up to him. We, all of us wish, through the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Konrad Samaji, I think our party will become a single largest majority or absolute majority we can.
We have observed that no other government or party has taken sensitive issue like this government does, and has brought a drastic change in the state. We look forward to work with you hand in hand with your support and your suggestion and your advice. I will try my level best and put my best effort to work for the people of my constituency and for the state as a whole.
With Russia set the stage for a quick move to